Today is going to be a cloudier and cooler day compared to yesterday. Not our most beautiful day for the first Monday of April. Temperatures will be in the 50s this afternoon. In Des Moines, we climb to 57, again cloudy, and there will be spotty rain showers around. This is out ahead of a giant warm front that comes in tomorrow, and that's part of this big storm system that will bring another threat for severe weather to our state on Tuesday. Now, the first part of the day is not going to look like severe weather. Cloudy with scattered light rain and drizzle, but the warm front comes in during the afternoon. The sun will break out and it will bring in warm and humid air that will trigger thunderstorms, especially over eastern and southeastern Iowa late afternoon, early evening, and then there will be a secondary line of storms. It could be a broken line that comes in late tomorrow night. So it all has to start with the warmer temperatures, right? So today we don't really get those much. We will see 50s for highs. Now tomorrow morning we start the day in the 40s, so not very warm. By lunchtime on Tuesday we will still be in the 40s and 50s in many areas, but look at what happens in Lamoni, 70s, and then look at what happens by late afternoon. This will be one of those days where the morning is very different than the afternoon. We will be very close to 80 tomorrow afternoon in Des Moines. Lower 80s to the south, but northern Iowa, you're not going to warm up nearly as much. We will see 60s and lower 70s even through midnight tomorrow night, and then we tank again on Wednesday as another cold front swings in. So with all these big temperature swings and a lot of wind, increased humidity, comes that threat for severe weather. We have a level 4 risk for eastern and southeastern Iowa. Remember, we go on a scale of 1 to 5. A level 1 is the lowest threat and a 5 would be the highest possible threat. So this is a pretty high threat over eastern and southeastern Iowa. A level 3 threat exists for central Iowa, including Metro Des Moines. Remember, we said this will likely come in 2 different rounds and all hazards will be possible. The greatest risks will be along and east of I-35, a very similar setup to what we had on Friday. That part of the state could see tornadoes, large hail, and damaging wind gusts, and that will be with supercell thunderstorms. So no threat of storms today, maybe a crack of thunder or two with the isolated showers we see, but there will be areas that stay totally dry today. I'm only giving it a 30% chance of rain. During the morning tomorrow, scattered light rain, and then here come the thunderstorms by 3 in the afternoon over southeast Iowa. They continue in that eastern part of the state through early evening, and then late tomorrow night after 7 p.m. is when the broken line of storms develops over central Iowa. So the highest tornado risk will be late afternoon, early evening in eastern and southeastern Iowa. But with the storms late tomorrow night, we could have hail and some strong winds here. Our 10-day forecast is sponsored by Holt Plumbing and Heating. The high tomorrow again is almost near 80. On Wednesday, we fall to the 40s with strong gusty winds. And then we get a long period of calm weather that will lead us into Easter weekend.